Wola. Shapiri Bafetu, thank you for tuning in to Everything SAD Ski. And on this one today, we got you how Orlando Pirates head coach plans to fill Relebohile Mofokeng void at Orlando Pirates. We all know Tim Mofokeng has departed the club to a Belgium side. Orlando Pirates head coach Eduardo says the club has been experimenting with various midfield combinations in an effort to seamlessly transition into life without talisman player Relebohile Mofokeng. The Bafana star departed the Soweto Giants after 4 influential seasons with the senior team, completing a high-profile move to Belgian top-flight outfit Royal Union Saint. The 21-year-old left the Buccaneers after firmly establishing himself as a cornerstone of the squad, particularly during their trumpet Betway titleship campaign last season. Now, coach Eduardo faces a challenge task of addressing the void left by the exclusive creative engine. Pirates are gearing up for defending to defend their domestic treble, having captured the league title, the MTN 8, and the Cullen Black will knock out, while also aiming for a stronger showing in the CAF Champions League following their failure to reach the group stage last term. Integrally, coach optioned against signing a direct traditional number 10 during the transfer window to replace Mofokeng, while the Buccaneers had embarked Cape Town City's FC Emil Vetboy for a potential successor. Ken revealed that Pirates have cooled their interest after learning it would take a transfer fee of approximately 18.6 million to secure the highly rated youngster services. This also comes at a time when the Buccaneers parted ways with Sipho Mbule, who has completed a move to Iraq club Zako SC. The tactical situation leaves Patrick Tito Maswanganyi as the most prominent senior player maker in the squad alongside Kabelo Dlamini, another natural option in advanced midfield role. However, Dlamini's long-term future at the club remains uncertain. The departure of Mofokeng, who capped off stellar campaign by sweeping the 2025-2026 Footballer of the Season, Player of the Season, and Young Player of the Season, leaves a massive tactical void to fill. Betway Premiership newcomers Milford will be the first side to test Orlando Pirates in the competitive fixture to evaluate how effective these new midfielders adjustments will be in practice. Speaking to the media at Rand Stadium on Tuesday, Orlando Pirates coach emphasized that solving Mofokeng's absence relies heavily on collective tactical synergy rather than relying on a single individual. Really was an important player for the club. If you can just see the data, his involvement in our chance creation, it was huge. Coach Eduardo explained it's important to find the profile that maybe can take the lead, but as you know, we are not speaking about individuals at all the time. It's important to speak about the collective. So it's what we tried to work on in Spain. New combinations, a lot of direction, profiling in midfield, trying to see, but I think we can have a good answer this weekend against Milford FC. Soweto Giants will kick off the new season and begin their league title defense against newcomers Milford FC at the Orlando Amstel Arena on Saturday, with kickoff scheduled to be at 3 p.m. For more news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. From your boy, Isaac Waiso from Darwin Chumba. Hawema.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is